female empowerment. What do you think is the more the trigger, the female part of the invitation or the empowerment one?
I would really go with the empowerment part. Don't network for the sake of network. It's about create those authentic, meaningful connections. No need to have a check in the box about meeting hundreds of people with small talks. Perhaps find 2 or 3 people. Yeah, and don't go by the title or position they hold. As tomorrow they are here, day after they could be anywhere else. It's about these connections that will last you for a much longer time. Let's go ahead and have a good show.
Really want to do something with their life and get on in their career, and they're really interested. And yeah, I think this is one of the biggest part I take here.
I've never experienced an atmosphere where I can feel open to talk to other people, get to introduce so openly and meet very inspiring and nice persons, and the talk really inspired me a lot too.
Of women, and we're encouraging each other. As a young person who's just starting in the corporate world, it's super inspiring for me, and I'm really looking forward for this event.
So what I'm taking home with me is to really, because I felt caught when we talked about the 5 tips for a successful and happy life, and I was like, okay, I really have to own my life.